Hello guys, welcome to my next YouTube tutorial of database management system. So in our previous video we discussed about aggregate functions. So in this video I'm going to tell you about SQL operators and or like between in and as. So let's start with opening MySQL 5.5 command line client. So here I'll give my root password. So after pressing enter I'll go into the database. Now I'm going to use a database which I created in our first video, that is company one. So you can see that database has changed. So here I'm using the general query, that is select star from employee, so that I can get the values, what all are the values I have entered in the tables. So next table is department. So next table is your department underscore location. So our next table is project. So you can see I am listing the project values, and next is your works underscore on. So you can see I have described these 5 tables. So let's start with the query. So first I'm taking the like operators. I'm writing select star from employee where be date like. So here I'm writing it within the pair of the double quotes as well as the percentage, or you can see the wildcard operator. So here I'm writing 1995. So let me tell you what does this mean. So like operator searches for a specified pattern in a column. It is necessary to compare a value to similar value using wildcard operators such as percentage. So percentage represents 0 or 1 or multiple characters. So you can see here in our employee table the B date is 1995. It is repeated twice, so 1995, 1995. So after pressing enter it will search for the specified pattern, means it will search for 1995. So it will get Harry and Jessica. So it will give the information, all the information which is present inside this table about Harry and Jessica. You can see here I press enter and I got the information about Harry and Jessica because their birth date is 1995, because I searched for that specified pattern in that particular table. So this was your like operator. So let's go to in operator. So here I'll write, again I'm using this employee table. So I'm writing select fname, salary and address from employee where SSN in 1000. So you can see here after pressing enter, let me tell you what is in operator does. So in operator is used to test whether the value is present in that particular column or table or not. So it will search for that SSN 1000. So it will search whether it is present or not. So after pressing enter it will give fname, salary and address of SSN 1000. So you can see that with the SSN person with the SSN of 1000, John B. Smith, I got its fname, salary and address. So this is how your in works. So let's go to our next operator, that is between. So here I am writing select. So here I'll write select fname, or I'll write select star. I want everything. Select star from employee where salary between 10,000, you can see 10,000 and 20,000. So here I am using both operators, that is between operator and an operator. So in an operator both the conditions need to be true. It should be between 10 to 20,000. So you can see after pressing enter there are 3 people whose salary is between 10,000 to 20,000. So I got the output, you can see here. So let's go to our next SQL operator, that is AND operator. So for AND operator we did here already. So let's go to our next operator, that is OR. So for OR I am doing one query from department table. Select fname comma bdate comma salary from employee comma department where fname is equal to John, or DNO is equal to 5. So you can see I got the output. So select fname, bdate and salary I got from employee where fname is John and department number is 5. So I got John and Jessica because fname was John, so I got everything about it, and department number was DNO 5. So a DNO department number was 5. So person with the department number 5 is Jessica. You can see here it's Jessica. So that's why I got Jessica and John and Jessica. It's 5 times we got department number 5. So let's go to our next attribute, that is add as attribute. So here we are giving the alias name for as attribute. It is used to assign an alias to the column of the table. So as you all know, we give our nicknames to friends. So here I'm giving a nickname for the table. So here I'll write select fname as name from employee. See, I got fname as name. So again, if you want to select something, select bdate from employee as birth date, birth underscore date. So you can see I got birth date. You can see here. So I got this. So this was all about your SQL operators. So in our next video, I'll tell you about the nested queries, or you can say the complex queries. So thank you guys for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for further updates.